Hey there, welcome back to our channel, where we share the best tech tips to make your life easier. Today, we'll dive into the ultimate guide on how to print from your smartphone or tablet right from the comfort of your home office. Gone are the days of being tied to your desktop when you need to print something. With mobile printing, you can now effortlessly print documents and photos directly from your smartphone or tablet. Let's get started. Step 1. Make sure that your printer and mobile device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Both devices need to be on the same network to communicate and print documents. Step 2. Install the printer app. Some printers may require you to install a specific app on your mobile device to print. Open Play Store, search and install the PrinterShare app. Step 3. Open the document or image you want to print on your mobile device. Ensure that the file is compatible with the printer and can be printed from the application you are using. Then choose the PrinterShare app below on the screen. Step 4. Select the print option, the document or image from the application you are using. Usually, you can find this option by tapping the print icon on the screen. Step 5. Adjust print settings, optional. Some printer apps provide options to adjust print quality, paper size, or page layout. Customize these settings as needed before printing. Step 6. Select the printer you want to use from the list of printers that appears on your mobile device. Step 7. Confirm and print. After checking the settings and printer selection, tap the Print button to start printing the document or image. The printer will receive the print command from your mobile device and start processing the print job. Step 8. Once the printing is completed, check the printout to ensure that everything is printed correctly. Make sure the quality and layout meet your expectations. Make sure that your printer and mobile device are properly connected to the Wi-Fi network and are online before printing. Thank you for your support, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date with the latest tips, tutorials, and helpful guides. Hit that subscribe button now and join our community of tech enthusiasts.